Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of interior design where elegance meets rustic charm. If you are captivated by the beauty of shabby chic farmhouse and vintage rustic styles, you are in for a treat. Get ready to be inspired by a fusion of timeless elegance and cozy nostalgia. Imagine a space that seamlessly blends the warm beauty of shabby chic with the rustic simplicity of farmhouse design. We'll walk you through how to achieve this harmonious balance by combining distressed furniture, soft pastel palettes, and floral essence that evoke a sense of comfort and elegance. Vintage rustic decor carries a sense of history and nostalgia. We'll explore how to incorporate feathered wood, worn textures, and vintage pieces that tell a story. From antique furniture finds to charming flea market trios, you will discover the art of capturing the essence of the past. Soft and dreamy color palettes are the heart of shabby chic and vintage rustic design. We'll guide you through selecting muted hues, pale blues, dusty pinks, and earthy tones that create a calming and inviting atmosphere. These colors play a pivotal role in capturing the elegance and charm of these styles. Distressed furniture is a hallmark of shabby chic and vintage rustic guides. We'll share techniques of distressed furniture and decor items to achieve that perfectly imperfect, time-worn look. Learn how to balance elegance with the appeal of well-loved pieces. Floral patterns and soft textiles are key players in shabby chic and vintage rustic decor. We'll reveal how to incorporate floral prints through wallpapers, curtains, and unholstery. Additionally, we will explore cozy textiles like lake, burlap, and vintage linens that add warmth and character to your space. Vintage treasures are often rich with potential. We'll show how to breathe new life into old pieces by upcycling and repurposing. Embracing the elegance of shabby chic farmhouse and timeless of vintage rustic decor is about creating a space that feels effortlessly inviting and filled with character. I hope this video will be very helpful for you to decor your farmhouse and subscribe my latest decor ideas YouTube channel. Share this video and thanks for watching the complete video. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.